Our learning target for phonics today is I can read and sort words with AW, ah, AU, ah, and AL, ah. So please read the words below and type them into the correct box. Here is an example. Jaw has AW that says ah. So you would type jaw into the AW box. Hall has an AU that says ah. So you would type hall into the AU box. Wall has an AL that says ah. So you would type wall into the all box. So if you look at the word chalk, that word would go here in the AL box because the AL says ah. So you would type that word in. Then you would go to the next one and decide where that goes and type it in. And keep going until you've done all the words. When you're done, press the X and the blue turn-in button.